Hello everyone, I'm Malú, and today I want to take you on an exciting journey to explore the chemistry behind lemons. Did you know that this small citrus fruit is filled with fascinating chemical surprises? Let me tell you more. Lemons are much more than just a tangy and refreshing fruit. They are primarily composed of citric acid, vitamin C, and essential oils. Citric acid gives them their characteristic sour taste, while vitamin C acts as a powerful antioxidant, strengthening our immune system. But that's not all. Did you know that lemons can be a source of energy? Through an electrochemical reaction, we can actually use lemons as makeshift batteries. By combining citric acid with metals like copper and zinc, we can generate enough electricity to power a small light bulb. It's truly amazing what chemistry can accomplish. In addition to their energy potential, lemons also possess cleaning and disinfecting properties. Thanks to their low pH and citric acid content, lemons can help remove tough stains, sanitize surfaces, and even eliminate unwanted odors. They offer a natural and environmentally friendly cleaning alternative. The chemistry of lemons shows us that even in the simplest things of everyday life, there are scientific wonders waiting to be discovered. So the next time you enjoy a lemon, remember all that chemistry has to offer. I hope you've enjoyed this journey through the chemistry of lemons. Until next time.